Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have a YLINSHA fish fillet kit. So let's open up, see everything that we get inside. And it comes in wrapped in that noisy plastic. Okay. So opening that. So that is a zipper, and then everything is inside here. So you get a fillet knife. So that is, I can feel it's super sharp just in the sheath. So you get that blade. You get a pair of scissors. So you can do your cutting, and it has that little bone cut piece in there. So that's pretty neat. It's got a belt clip. I don't think that had one, no. This is the tail of the tape, and it has inches on one side and centimeters on the back. So you have a couple of keyring hook spring things. Then you get a pair of kind of like plier slash fish hook remover slash. If you're an angler, you know what that is. I am not entirely sure what that is, but you got that in there, and it has its own little sheath. So that's pretty neat. You got that tool. You got another little quick key chain ring. And then that's everything that you get in the kit. So anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and there's your fish fillet kit.